Hello everybody, happy Sunday. That's way too loud, alright. Pardon me. There we go, that's more balanced. Yeah, it's time to return to this whole game here. I know it's been a minute. Yeah, tonight I kind of just want to do some general polish stuff. I'm gonna go through here and see if anything strikes my eyes of like, oh, I'd like to change that or whatever. So, first thing on my mind is the, like adding in some animation code. And part of that is gonna be very much dependent on, well, I guess I don't need to do this the old way. But if I look at my old code, this can be helpful. Also, I don't know why I don't have chat pulled up. Hey, what's up, Carly? Not much, just kind of started. I'm trying to put in logic for, like, animation. I don't know that I'm actually going to animate anything, but I'm going to set up the framework for animations to play out. Particularly so, like, pressing the grab button, like, you'll have to press it, and then, like, if you make contact, you'll pick stuff up, otherwise you won't. So there's gonna be a lot of, like, surrounding code with that, too. I didn't stir this. Good enough. Also, I made way too much Manhattan. It's good, though. All of our, measuring cups are dirty right now, or in the dishwasher right now, so kinda eyeballed it. I got the ratio right, but man, I put a lot in there. It's like it almost filled up this glass, as you guys can see. Yeehaw, indeed. So, I don't know why this code doesn't work, but whatever. Is this my code? This is my code, okay. Because yeah, I'll use the strings. I also don't know if this is like the proper way to like do animation anymore. I want to see, like, somewhere in here, I've got to, like... I've got to restrict the player's movement when they're getting bit in this game. So, sorry, this is code from my, Resident Evil clone from 2021. Trying to find... I guess it's this? Oh, right, I have a, like, global status. Okay, so... Go find the usages of this. Process hit cooldown, okay. Okay... We don't use this at all for anything, though. Oh, okay, so there's a variable called taking damage. Ah, okay. So taking damage is the thing... Like, we simplify this to a boolean to outside classes. And while you're in taking damage, I bet you can't move. Yeah, is movement prevented? Are you can you open the menu? Okay. So that's mostly bells and whistles. But oh, that's right. I had several animations because I was gonna make it so you could have different animations for getting hit by different stuff. Okay. Cool. So we sort of passed that through. Gotcha. Huh. All right. Cool. So, you know what? I might actually need to open the whole project. I don't know if I can have two things of Unity open at once. Let's see if it lets me. Oh, I know why it doesn't compile anymore. That's right. I updated the version of Unity for some reason, and then it broke some stuff. That sucks. I guess I can always, like, I have it checked in somewhere. I can always fix that, I'm sure. Boom. This wonderful video game. I'm gonna use this code at some point for something else. Or like, either a sequel or an expansion. I guess I technically made an expansion for this already, but a definitive edition that has all the stuff I wanted to put in originally. Like proper cutscenes instead of just that one cutscene. Animations, there we go. Okay, so I have an animations folder. And the player just has like a... Oh, okay, so there's a animator. This is a animation controller. Okay, gotcha. And then it has individual animation files. Okay, cool. I forget how all this stuff works, so... Like, even though I'm not going to be animating this necessarily tonight, I need to at least have this stuff here to reference it in my code. I don't know, maybe we'll get to actually making some animations, but... So I guess starting point in our game, in the game I'm working on actually, I want to have it so when you press the pickup button, it plays a pickup animation. And then it doesn't actually pick the thing up until you've reached a certain frame in the pickup animation. Right, so we have these things. Yeah, so this is what tells it to go back and forth between things. Well, let's get cracking, shall we? Folder. Animation. Let's see. Hey, D314, how's it going? Even though we only have players in our game right now, as far as animated stuff goes, I will... Actually, I guess we might have, like, bomb animations, too. Maybe I will animate the bombs tonight, too. That should be simple. Actually, I don't know if I'd use animations for one of the bombs, because I kind of want, like, a particle effect to have, like, the fuse ticking. But the remote bombs, I like to have them, like, flash, you know, in and out. So that would be an animation, probably, I think. Or a shader, I guess, would do the trick. I don't know. It's many ways to solve problems, right? I don't actually know... Animation controller, there we go. Call it the player animation controller because why not? So now we've got our own one of these things. And we already know a parameter that we need. It'll be a boolean, and we'll call it picking up. Only one solution. Blah 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 blah. Whoop, 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 whoop. My games, don't look at those. How do I name this? Oh, up here. Or not rename. God. Idle. We've got our idle state. And then we'll create a new state. That'll be picking up. And then we want to make a transition between these two and back. So when false, go back. When true, go forward. Awesome. Then we need to have an actual animation tied to that. I think I approached this weirdly in the other projects. Is that like drowning everybody out? Let me check the levels really quick. No, okay. It seemed loud, but I think we're okay. I mean, it's a little loud, but... We've listened to this playlist many times while doing coding on stream. And I know this song is like super loud, then it gets quiet again. I'm not gonna fuck with it. It's almost done anyway. As a treat. Well, thanks for confirming. See, it's done. It's a banger. Yeah, I love this playlist. I love me some Donkey Kong music. Such a great series. Except for N64 Donkey Kong, fuck that game. I forget if I need to set anything else here. Obviously I need to set the animation, but... Now, I don't remember in this game if... Actually, I could just test it, right? Oh wait, maybe this doesn't run? I don't know. I guess I'll see. It might let me run the last, like, successful build, so... Game start. Play... Oh, while I'm here. No, the animation doesn't speed up at all when you're running versus walking. Alright. Enough of that game. You know what? No, I'm gonna say this. I think the next step with Goon's House of Doom is we take what we've learned off of Goon's Blast here and we make it have online play. Online co-op Resident Evil clone. Huh. It is the logical conclusion. At one point in the back of my head I was gonna be like, hey, each year I should like make a parody of each Resident Evil, but then I didn't even make a game last year and this game has just been like ongoing for a while. I do need to chip away more with that engine, make more stuff in there. By the way, Miranda's looking into expand her Blender portfolio. If you want her to make characters for stuff for your games, I'd be very excited to do it. That would be awesome. Yes, please, actually. I have no artistic vision of what anything's supposed to look like in this game. So I have zero guidance, but I'll gladly take some models if she makes something. That reminds me, I need to make a credits section. So far, everything I'm using is either something I made or Creative Commons Zero, so I don't technically need one, but I probably soon very much will. Susan, reach out to her, she's super on board and love to work with you. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Can you credit me, please? Yes, as the antagonist of the stream. Got him. Player idle, correct? Player picking up. I think I looped these? I don't know. I'm just gonna cheat and do everything that I did on this thing. Don't look at all that, chat. I keep hovering over my taskbar by accident. Idle animation. Yes, it loops. I guess some of these I don't want to loop, but... Oh no, pickup I don't want to loop, actually. So yeah, pickup, do not loop. You know, as stupid as it is, that's all I need to do on this screen. No, I need to set these eventually, but... Oh shoot, where does this go? Like, what do I put that on? I think I just put the controller on something. Is it like the base player or like the base mesh? I know it doesn't just sit in limbo. That would make no sense. Here, let's go into this prefab. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Okay, yeah, there's okay, so... That... I put an animator component on this, and then the controller is my animation controller. Gotcha. That wasn't too bad to get back up to speed on. Need to go find my player prefab again. So the other thing I need to worry about is syncing animations. I'm sure they won't sync by themselves, so I'm gonna need to signal... Like, I'll need to send out like a network signal to like say, hey, go play this animation, this player. That was weird. This looked like a new message came in my chat. So it seemed like you said correct again. But that's not what happened. It's not under prefabs, it's under resources. There we go. And it's not in a folder because I am a fool. And if I move it now, I'll need to go change a bunch of things. Which is not impossible, but... eh. I bet if I do this, I'll find the only one. Yep. Oh yeah, avatars! Fuck! That's like a thing too, that I probably should be using. I forget how these work. Actually, I don't know shit about animation. I feel like I didn't need to say that, but you know. Is what it is. So this isn't the proper way to do this, but like, just for the sake of visuals, maybe I should animate something here. Oh, I'm in the game. There we go. I'm like, what is happening? I forget how I do this. There's like a way I can like record this basically. Oh, I think I need another tab. Nope. Animation? I think this is the tab. Ah, there we go. Oh, shoot. Okay. You know what? I fucked up. Yeah, there we go. That's a problem. So... I'm supposed to do it in this order, basically. Well, that's okay. We'll just delete this, and then we'll go back afterwards. Those are frames, right? So that's like 30 frames, so half a second. Oh, you know what? I can do this pretty easily, actually. Ooh. Never mind. Thought I could do this very easily. Okay. Oh, I didn't record them. Damn it. Shit. Right, okay, here we go. Why waste so much time on something that literally doesn't matter? Don't worry about it, chat. Just don't worry about it. Got a keyframe here. Give me -45. Push this in here a little bit. And this will be +45 because it's backwards. God damn it. Like my game, everyone? Oh, actually, hold on. I actually need another set of keyframes at 130. Because we don't want to put it, I don't know. He dancing to the music. Oh no. It's Donkey Kong 64. Oh, you know what? Actually, I need 30 more frames because then I need it to return to the center before it resets. Oh wait, 132, yeah. Yo. Should I like copy this data? Oh, like this actually. Boom. But I need to do that with the stick now too. Could have done that a little more elegantly. Either way, let her rip. There, we have an idle animation. Side note to All you aspiring game devs out there, this is not the way to do animation in the game. You animate this separately and then pull in animation files, I'm pretty sure is like the proper way to do this. But I don't know how to use those tools very well, so... Something is wrong. Oh, I didn't put the animation back, because that's right, I had to make a new one. Hey, look, I'm dancing. I'm a dancing. It's like horrifying to look at. Now, the other question I have, which is mainly why I bothered animating anything, is what happens if I have two people playing together? Do I see the animation on both? I assume I do. And again, because we're controlling it with these variables, I think as long as I'm like setting those variables across all clients, it'll correctly play each animation across for everybody. I also still haven't looked into whether or not like RPC calls is like the best way to like send a signal out to somebody that hey, something happened. But whatever. Oh, that's like off both locally and there, huh? Hey, we're wiggling and waggling on both screens. I did it. Now die. Okay, well, I will not make an animation for this, but just for the sake of it, let's actually make a proper animation that we can come back to later and edit. Where are you? I'm gonna need to put hands on my guy to do this, is basically what we need to do. Where the fuck? Where the fuck? Resources, dude. I'm staring it in the face every single time. How do I do make new animation? Oh, there we go. New clip. Not in the resources. Eh. I can't add keyframes because I don't have any properties I'm tracking. Nice. Alright. I assume I don't even need to do that, but whatever, it's fine. Cool, okay, so we now have player picking up. So all we need to do, if I remember correctly, from the code that I looked at like 2 minutes ago, is we take a reference to the animator, and we just say set bool, and then we give it a string. And then I should also make a string, or a lookup for all of my variables. Constants. Bum 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 ba-da-doo-doo. So we just got one right now. And that's gonna be our... There we go. So now we can set this, and when we have an animation there, it'll play that animation. We just need to send that message out to everyone, so all clients sync that information. Rather than make the player controller even larger, I'm gonna make a separate class called Player Animation Manager. Let's do that, though, for real. Scripts. Putting my foot down. I'm gonna make a player folder. We'll move the other scripts in there eventually, but... I think animation was not the thing I was looking for. Oh, animator. Oh, jeez. Gross. Pardon me. Hey, Adney Ball, welcome in. Sorry if I butchered your username. Sorry, just saw a fly. Anyway, what's going on? So that, we'll expand that as we have more animation stuff going on. How's your game going? Doing alright, glad to hear it. It's going pretty well. So, it's pretty unpolished at the moment. And tonight I was like, man, I should really like get some of this stuff straightened out here. Like there's a lot of functionality in here, but like I don't know, there's some missing connective tissue. So I don't have any animations at all right now. But for example, what we're trying to do right now is put a state thing in so we can have an animation where you pick this bomb up. So the functionality is already there to pick the bombs up and throw them and stuff. But I want to have it like stop and do an animation, which I probably won't actually animate tonight. But yeah, so to do that, wait for it to finish, and then pick things up at a certain frame in the animation. And then also sync that up, because this is an online game, so have that animation sync up across all the clients. Yeah, so I don't know. That's kind of just what I'm messing around with right now. These will probably be relevant eventually, as we have more animations for different things that you can do. Get component animation is what I'm looking for, I guess? Okay. Probably don't want to do that in the update loop, though. Hold on, let me Google this really quick. Unity. Wait for animation to finish. Ah, okay, so you can fire an event on a keyframe. That's actually perfect, so I can use that in the middle of my pickup animation to signify when it should actually pick the bomb up, and I can also signify the end of the animation with that too. That is dope. So we don't even need to check in like the update loop or anything like that. Should be all we need to do. I'll just move the private stuff down here. So let's try to figure out how to do that, actually. Oh, wrong. No, this is the right project. Sorry, I also have an old project open from the last, because I'm comparing like stuff I did last time. What am I looking at? Oh, right. Yeah. Anyway. Comparing stuff I did last time in the old project with this one. I'm by no means like an animator. I mess with the code, not much else, you know? But hey, you know what? I forced myself to learn Fmod, I can force myself to learn animation stuff too. I've actually used RenderMan, which is like Pixar's proprietary rendering software. I don't know if they still use it nowadays, but way back in college I was taking a computer graphics course. We got to use that for one of our assignments. Jeez. I sneezed and now I'm all phlegmed up. I'm sorry, chat. Sorry for being human. I don't know. Having ailments and such. Okay, so we go back to our pickup animation, right? And, wait, hold on. Yeah, go here. Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm on the game camera. I'm like, why does this not look right? Ah, shoot. I had it open and I screwed it up. 1 second. Resources, player controller. There we go. Alright. Animation tab. Player idle. Nope. Player picking up. Okay. So this one, I should be able to set an event here somehow. Add an event. Perfect. Where is that event? Oh, function. Okay. Well, you know. Shoot. I might need a video for this, actually. Hold up. Community animation event. I'm sure this will take like 2 seconds to figure out. Or 7 minutes. Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Get on with it. Yes, I understand the problem space. Thank you. Can you, Holy fuck. This person's animation is intense. Here. Allow me to, look at this. Look at all the frickin' events going on there. Jesus Christ. Anyway. Not events, but keyframes, I mean. Is this your first game? Not by a long shot, but it's sort of my first exposure to doing, well, it's not even really my first, like, man, I don't know. Sorry, that question caught me off guard. This is like the 3rd game I've made on stream, but I also made one in between this that was like a short little 2D thing in Godot. I've also made other games off stream, one of which is literally on not just Steam, but various VR platforms. I've lost it. Hold on, let's go to the store. Why was that? Why was that the screen it went to? What the fuck? Anyway. Boom. Yeah, I made this with other people, but... Small team of 5. And that includes literally everyone that worked on it. I guess if you want to count the PR firm that we hired, that's another group of people, but whatever. Or the lawyers that we got the copyright stuff done with. Whatever. The people that worked on the game physically, there were 5 of us. Trying to make a game focus on movement. 2D core with 3D background, wants to look clean like 3D character. Nice. Well, best of luck to you. I think our next project, I don't know, like, so I work on stuff off stream in my spare time when I'm not doing my day job or streaming stuff. And we're trying to figure out what to do next. I don't think we're gonna go into VR again. Mainly just because, like, while we got a lot of, like, really nice reception to the game, like, it's not really selling, honestly, if I'm being, like, fully transparent here. So I think we're gonna scale things back a bit, because we have a small team. I think we do better stuff in, like, maybe a 2D game, I'm not sure. Like, we're floating a lot of ideas right now. Anyway. Yeah, 5 people doing a VR game was a horrible idea. Don't do that. It was a lot of work. Especially, we ported it ourselves, so like it's on PlayStation VR, it's on the Quest 2, it's on, well, Steam, as I showed, but it also works on like all headsets that you can use on Steam. Like, it was a nightmare. in a cool way. Like, in a certain sense, we cut our teeth doing that. By the way, I'm still watching the video, so I'm not just sitting here like yammering on about nonsense. What if you made a 2D game next? That might be the reality, honestly. Also, hello, Epio. How you doing today? I missed a very crucial step to this. I think it's in the animator. You like add functions or something in here. Wait. I just said this is the third game I made on stream. I think that's a lie. I think this is the second game I made on stream. I don't know. I don't know when I started this, honestly. It's so hard to learn Unity C#. I'm trying to actually learn so I can problem solve any kind of idea. Don't really learn anything by watching someone else's code. Need hands-on. I forget everything the next day. That is fair. I'm specifically trying to figure out how to, like... So, I generally understand what I need to do here. Like, I have this function, right? And I want to... There's nothing in this drop-down. I'm trying to figure out how to do that. It looks like maybe I have like hooks over here. No, it's not that. Or maybe it is, I don't know. But yeah, no, it's definitely a huge undertaking to like learn any game engine. But I think it's a good idea to like experiment with several. It's a very useful tool rather than just rolling everything yourself. Because, again, going back to my college days, like, I would try to do everything, like, from scratch. Like, this isn't actually even my first, like, network game. I made a network game all the way back in college. Basically, it was, like, a 2D grid with people that were squares. There was a functional chat, and, you had, like, stats. Like, it was, like, supposed to be sort of a top-down RPG is where I was going with it. But that's about as far as I got. I bet I still have the code for that. I should try to get that to compile. Anyway, I was making it just in C++ with like a couple of like really basic graphical libraries, and it was a lot of work. And really, I should just use an engine, honestly. Random events to find functions. The script needs to be attached to the same objects as the animations. Ah, shoot. Okay. Thank you, Gemini OS. Usually make triggers and access them via script. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think I can pipe that through, but I need to add something to player model then. Gotcha. Thank you. That is super helpful, actually. I will call this player animation hook. Or event hook. Yeah, so this game is mostly about, or the game I'm working on right now here, I'm trying to, like, well, I'm using the Photon Unity networking library, Pun 2 to be specific, so I'm not even on the latest and greatest anymore, although I think their next version of stuff is still in beta, if I'm not mistaken, but anyway, that doesn't matter. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. My goal here was to try to leverage, like, a framework for doing networking code, and see how that works. And that's where we're at. That part is, like, fully functional, but, like, the game needs more, like, fleshing out, so it's kind of what I'm doing. And animation is... Well, graphics and animation are easily, like, one spot where it's really lacking currently. Just have this little capsule with a little thing on it. Okay, so back to the animation. I probably need to have it... How can I help with this game? I don't know. Do you want to draw some textures or something? Actually, you know what? I have a level editor in the game. Well, okay. My idea with the level editor, the level editor also still needs more features in it. We spruced it up a lot last time I streamed game dev, but there's still more to be desired. Eventually I'm gonna need levels in this game. I suck at level design when it comes to, like, you know, all the hats that you wear when you're making a game. Honestly, if I could force you into making levels for the game, that'd be cool. Right now there's not much to it though. I'll try level design. That's how we get everyone on every project that we do. It's gotta be similar to GMing. Guild mastering? I don't know what that... Oh, wait, is that like typo and you must say DMing? Yeah, actually. Honestly, yeah, actually. I need the signature that I need for this, because I think it's not finding the event because it's, doesn't have the right, signature on the code. Or, like, method, I mean. Okay, it needs to be an I enumerator, it looks like. Oh! Oh my god, I didn't attach the script! Fuck. Oh, Game Master, okay, yeah. Fair enough. That would also do it, but also it looks like it needs an I, or it's expecting an I enumerator. So I'll do that. Yeah, whatever. Derp derp. Indeed. What's up, fishing dev? How you doing? Okay, now, hopefully, I can actually hook into this script. Yes! It's got kid to sleep, now time to plan tomorrow. Nice. Oh yeah, sprint stuff. Fun times. Actually, you know what? Technically I should call it this, and then that's gonna break that over there. But that's okay. We'll just reset it. Function not supported. There we go. And then we'll just say 30 frames into it, why not? Oh, I didn't make a hook for this yet. Hold up. Whoa. So now we're going to need references to the animation manager as well as the player controller, because the player controller is going to want to know when it's actually supposed to try to pick something up, and the animation manager is going to need to know when the animation's over so it can unlock the player from the state of it's picking something up. We're getting there. Also, I guess I could follow naming conventions, whatever. Details. So this one is easy because we've already set it up on pickup end. I made it private, damn it. So we just make that public, no biggie. What's up, Goon? Are you working on a pickup system? I am. What's up? Alex Leonard Correa? Specifically, I'm learning to, like, put hooks into animation, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this one Well, we don't have the method in the player controller yet. Well, okay. When we refactor the player's pickup logic, we'll need it. We'll end up making a method for this, and this will be where we call it. Cool. And then the player's gonna... Man, everything's just gonna reference each other, isn't it? Well, this will only reference the animation controller, so that's not so bad. What are you still mad about? Oh, because it's never assigned. Ah, shut up about that. Animation makes things feel so much better. Exactly, yeah. So I thought to myself, like, what should I work on right now in the game? And I'm like, the game's so static right now. Like, I should start thinking about how to, like, manage animations. Specifically, what I'm trying to do is get it so, like, so right now you can pick up bombs. That works perfectly fine. But what I want to do long term is, like, have it stop. Like, when you press the pickup button, wherever you are, stop. Start an animation where you try to pick something up. You don't have any... The player doesn't have any hands right now, so it's kind of silly. And then halfway through the animation, if they pick the thing up, then it'll pick it up. And then when they're done with the animation, they can move again. And that's sort of what I'm coding right now. But I've never used these, whatchamacallits, the, events in the animations before. It's pretty cool. I've lost myself. Where are we at? So now I need to... I think we need to start rewriting the player controller code to change how the pickup actually works, because we need to... Oh, well, also I need to set references to everything in here. The animation manager could really be anywhere, honestly, as long as it's inside the prefab. You know what? This is gonna kill me, but we won't I don't think I actually need this hook, event hook. Although, if I do this, I technically won't have like a circular reference. Not that it matters anyway, but... Random question, do you know anything about microcontrollers? Maybe? What's up, Icy? So good for getting footstep and sound effects timing. Oh yeah, that's a good point. Damn. Yeah, because you can just do it on the frame. And if the example video I was looking at off screen here, like, it's showing me like, oh, well, what if you want to slow down your animation? If you have variables tracking how long it takes to play the animation, you need to go update those now. That's a very nice, very simple things. Yeah, exactly. Okay. I only know what a microcontroller is in the sense that I know what it is. I don't know anything about them. Sorry, Icy. This could just be one script, but that's okay. It's whatever. I think we're getting close to the end of this, oh no, we're only halfway through. Oh no, we're like 2/3 of the way through. Classes for school involves microcontrollers and whatnot for a dashboard. Neat. Yeah, I'm not good at like physical hardware stuff, honestly. This is a very small chance that any kid in that school will understand it. fair enough. Try to make it as simple as possible. That's a good idea. Keep it simple. It's a good principle. Okay, so that will reset this. We need a reference to this inside the player controller. Pardon me, jeez. Sorry, Chad. I've lost the player controller. There it is. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is the animation manager we want to call if you can pick it up, then we call start pickup. You know what, actually, screw that. This should own the domain of whether or not you're allowed to pick something up, so we just call it blind, like the player doesn't care. Just call it. And the animation manager should decide, can I do that or not? So then that'll change the animation and everything. Ooh, shoot. Okay, hold on. That's okay. Okay, sorry, I'm thinking like network stuff now, because we're now getting into the realm where we need to sync animations. So what I need to do is damn it. Okay. Photon view.rpc. Forget if this gets mad if it's a private method. Oh, what else do you want? Oh, who to send it to, right? Yeah. Send that to everybody. No parameters are needed. So then, on everybody, we tell the animation manager to start picking up. I'm starting to wonder if I should include the photon view in here, because like I feel like I should have different logic. Like if you're not the host, or if you're not the person that owns this object and you get a command to start the pickup animation, you probably shouldn't care whether or not you can pick up. You should just start playing it, because things can get out of sync. Like, I don't know. I'll table that, but I'm gonna leave myself a comment. We're getting in the fringe now, but like, that is a concern. Oh wait, shoot. On RPC. Oh yeah, that's all I need to do. I think I might need to make this public. I think I'm pretty sure I've already gotten burned by this. I'm changing it to public. Cool. Okay. And now... Now we take this code here. This actually is not going to be that bad to do, I think. The only thing I need to do now is, like, stop the player from moving. But that's not that bad, I guess? So this logic should be exactly the same. That's fine. Oh. We don't care, like, this will, like, this logic down here will sync across the network. So we only actually care about this stuff if it's our copy. Does Photon have a network variable or sync vars? Yes, it does. I haven't messed with the Unity netcode yet, but yeah, no, it does have a concept of that. I haven't really used those. So like the things that it's syncing right now is really just like positional data. I guess also rotational data because I made that one sudden death that makes you like ragdoll around. But you can also have like custom variables sync, which is what I think you're asking. I just haven't had a need for it yet. I can also send data across the wire when I do these these RPC calls. That's like the other parameters I can put in here. As long as it's a primitive, it'll go across. Okay, so we need to call try to pick up inside the event hook. I'm really curious to see what the new Photon stuff is. I would love to upgrade to it, but I know it's going to be like a rewrite of like most of my netcode, which is not something I really want to dive into. At that point, I'd almost sooner rather just like check out a different framework. Just see what I can do with another one. Alright. So in theory, this should get called. Oh, yeah, that's fine. This is not the correct script at all. And then we need to call can move at some point. I guess I can do that now. That's probably not super complicated. So I guess when we're moving, check if you can move, and then just stop it if you can't. That's kind of silly, but I think that works, actually. Let's see if any of this works. Been coding for a while, and I feel like everything's just gonna go to shit now. I can't move. Oh yeah, I didn't set the... That would do it. Animation manager is you. can move! Okay, it does sort of fuck with some of the mechanics. Like letting go of a bomb. I'm not even pressing anything right now and I still have the bomb in my hand. Whatever. It's mostly there. Let's polish it up and figure out what the hell I'm doing wrong here. Oh, forget the bomb. Just press this. Okay, so I'm locked in place. Then I go back. It's weird that the animation waits to finish for the other animation. Okay, slight problem here. There's not really much acceleration. I think what I should do instead of just like stopping movement completely, just fucking hard return when we can't move, then let it resume as normal. That probably won't solve everything, but so what the I was holding a movement direction. I was standing still, then pressed grab, and then I started pressing a movement direction, and it didn't make me go after I let go, or after the animation finished. So that's the problem. And now it does. Okay, cool. Oh, wait. But now when I'm moving, I keep moving. Okay. Interesting. Oh, you know what? It's like freezing my velocity. It shouldn't be moving me though. What the heck? Ah! Oh! Wait. Damn it. I'm in the wrong spot. That's why. There we go. That ought to do it. Am I using a character controller? Yes? Question mark? I think so. Okay, so... Nice. Alright, that is now functioning as expected. So the only problem now is if you tap grab, you're like, and also like letting go. Okay. Need to think through that a little bit there. Not sure what's going on with that, but we're almost there. I just need to fix this problem with like throwing bombs. So like tapping throw, or sorry, tapping the grab button. If you don't hold it, you should drop it immediately. Oh, you know what? It's because the end condition is not, like, doesn't care about what's going on here. God. There's way too much code. I'm so glad. You know what? I may have made, like, an extra class over here, but I'm so glad I split this stuff out of, like, this nonsense. This would have been so bad. On pickup end. Okay, so this is when you let go of something. Or, oh, okay. Ooh, man, okay. I think I need to tweak this a little bit. This needs to be rewritten. Well, this method can probably still exist. It's just it needs to like queue this up almost. So if you're in the middle of a grab and you let go of something, wait for the end to happen. Although, it's almost like, at this point I almost think, like, maybe it makes more sense. Yeah, actually, forget this. We should have this logic happen when you press, like, this should be the logic that happens if you press the grab button and you're already holding something. Yeah. That fixes both problems, actually. Get rid of this method altogether. I don't care about when you let go of the button. Actually, wait. Yeah, no, okay, so you won't be, like, holding it to make it throw anymore. Try to pick up. Don't care about that. Start pickup. Oh, wait. On pickup. Here we go. So this is basically our else statement now. I mean, it literally is our else statement. So if you're holding something, you won't go into an animation, you're just going to throw whatever you're holding. And now the throw button is a toggle, or the pickup button is a toggle. And it'll deal with all of the velocity stuff and all that jazz. I think that gets us where we want to go. Maybe. Excuse me? Oh, right. I did that intentionally so I would not forget to clean up my code I don't need anymore. God, fucking Tropical Freeze is such a good game. It's an unrelated statement. So I can pick up, still functioning as normal. I don't quite like the way the animation works with this. It like finishes the other animation first. I can pick stuff up, cool. When I throw it, it doesn't pause me, awesome. Nice, alright, that's pretty much exactly what I was looking for. Let me try to like run at this and pick it up. I don't know what's going on with the camera right now. Help. Boom! Now all that's left is to actually animate this, I guess. Maybe that's a good way to cap things off, right? Let's actually have some like pickup animation that we're looking at. You know, minor details. Alright, in order to not get sued, I'm gonna have square hands instead of round hands. That'll throw them off. That's way too big. Someone told, oh shit, what is his name? Is it Rob Wise, I think is this guy's name? Hold on. Donkey Kong Composer. My joke is already ruined. David Wise, my bad. Told me you don't need. Alright, we're just making a game, you don't need to go so hard. And like, anyway. We don't need the body position anymore. Add a keyframe here. Yes, this is lazy as hell. No, I don't care. I hope this is all placeholder. I've said this many times, I'll say it again. I truly hope that ultimately this is all placeholder stuff, but you know, things happen. For example, here, allow me to tab over to something else. Look at this game. Look how this ended up. Now granted, I made this game in like 60 hours or something, so you know. I tried to jump, I forgot I can't jump in this game. How do I open doors in this game? There we go. C button. That was so loud. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What did I miss? Oh yeah, I guess that's... Why does that not look symmetrical? I guess it is. This is gonna look awful. Did I not hit save? Oh no. I'm not in record mode. Unfortunate. Damn it. Ah, okay. This is fine. Not even sure that was the same position, but whatever, man. Ew. Look, beautiful. Perfect animation. I'm accepting no criticism here. You know where I have a base character with a run, walk, jump that moves into most of my projects for that reason? Yeah, that's a good point, actually. I should probably do that. On the one hand, I'm like, man, I'm doing it wrong every single time. But yet I copy off my... Well, okay, it's like out of 2 times, I guess. I didn't really do the animation on Straylight. And honestly, there's not really a lot of animation there anyway. Actually, depending on what system you're on, it isn't animation. Which is a weird little optimization trick we had to play for lower-end VR headsets. But there is some animation files playing depending on which system you're on. Anyway, it's a little behind the scenes right there. Alright, we're done here. That's our pickup animation. I got hands now. What's the grab button? Why does he do it twice? The fuck? Interesting. As exit time. Alright, there's like two things I need to go look up how to do right now. One, almost success. So one, I needed to like instantly start doing the pickup animation instead of like waiting that it's doing for some reason. Oh yeah, this. I think this is what I'm looking for. Just exit immediately. But two, let me see if this fixes the one problem. Let's try to fix one thing at a time, right? If this all works, I'll probably go work on like animating the bombs next. Yes, okay, good. Now it still does it twice. I didn't expect that to be fixed. That's fair. I think it's because it's right at the end of the animation. Oh, we just finished our soundtrack. We'll go with this one. Not the middle of it. Actually, I'm gonna take a quick break, actually, while I think about this. Be back in a minute, chat. Firing the animation on both the server and the client? Yes. Or maybe. We'll test that after I get this other stuff sorted out. Later, loser? Damn. Rude, but fair. Be right back. Got several ideas. First and foremost, let me check this animation real quick. Do I have anything weird set on it where it's like, hey, play this twice or something? Go back to the scene. Like, the whole animation is there. It seems to be the end of it. The event happens right here anyway, that should stop it. And the animation itself... Oh, shoot, you know what? I forgot we made new files. Yeah, don't loop. Do not loop. Probably would do it. The idle can loop. This guy should not loop. Think that might be as simple as that. Forgot the button. Hey, you just pick it up once. Although, wait, I broke it. I'm actually just stuck now. Oh, okay. Okay, so Unity, reset non-looping animation. How do I reset a non-looping animation? Thank you. That doesn't seem right. My connection is not secure. Awesome. This is all old shit. This is from like 2019. God damn it. Any knowers in chat? Is you're picking up... so it seems we're clearing this. So this parameter over here does not... It's different. Like, okay, here, let me show you, sorry. So this animation manager, it has its own boolean of is picking up, and then it sets the animation boolean here and clears it over here. So like it's not tied to like the actual animation variable over there. This seems to work correctly because like we stop and start at the same cadence as the animation. It's just once it's played once, we're like stuck. We're not stuck. Sorry, it doesn't play it again. Or the animation doesn't play again. Let me try to Google that actually. Unity non-looping animation only plays once. Six years ago. God damn. Like the functional side of this is working as intended. It's just it's not letting me play the animation multiple times because I turned the looping off. Whoa. Okay, this person's actually using the same, like, framework as I am, but, like, this is an old answer and a very weird choice, too. Oh no. I think I can, if I pop this out, I think I can watch this while things are happening in the scene. Yeah, let's do that. It's probably the way to go. Sorry, I don't, have space on the screen to show you guys this, but it will help me, if nothing else. It's motherfucking wave race? It is wave race, goddamn. Anywho. Okay, so we're on idle right now. Then I press pick up. It didn't really show me anything. Wait, now it's working. What the fuck? Oh, it's while I'm walking it's messed up? Oh, actually, wait, I'm stuck. Because it's not playing the animation. Wait. Okay. It's got more complicated. I forgot we moved over from the Donkey Kong soundtrack to the generic chill Nintendo game soundtrack. Great! Alright, let me try to freeze myself, grab mid-animation. Looks like it's specific to me moving and grabbing. Maybe it's a different issue, actually. Wonder. Hey, GLaDOS, thank you for the follow. Welcome on in. Well, no, now I'm still able to move. Dude, I don't know. I don't know how to reproduce this bug, that's a problem. Oh, also, I can still jump while I'm grabbing, I'm pretty sure. That's not good either. Oh, these things have collision on them, don't they? Yeah, those shouldn't. Okay, I need to fix that. Yeah, I can totally still jump while grabbing. Let me fix that really quick, and also the collision on these hands, because they shouldn't have collision. You guys remember that time I was playing Wave Race, and I got really salty? It's a good game. Okay, player controller. Jump. On jump. Haven't played that in so long, but yeah, it was really great. It really was, like... solid video game. I'm not even big on racing games, honestly, but... it's just... real good. Alright, that should fix those other two problems. I don't know what the hell is going on with the other issue. But I couldn't reproduce it right there, which is weird. Okay, so my hand should be able to go through stuff now, that's good. I can no longer jump. I did it backwards. Excellent. Who would win? One simple Boolean statement? Or a veteran coder? I don't even really care that the antenna stops wobbling. I just need it to not freeze the player completely. Okay, I can no longer jump while grabbing. You can start grabbing while jumping. That's fine. I don't really care if the tech works for that. I picked something up! I threw something! Oh, wait, maybe the run button? Hold on. It might be the run button, actually. No, fuck. Oh, wait, I did it! How did I do that? What state am I in? Oh, wait, hold on. You know... Why haven't I tried this before? I'm gonna close this other instance of Unity because I feel like it could be causing trouble. Also, we don't really need this anymore. Goodbye, Resident Evil clone. Let's go ahead and start the debugger. Sorry, I was looking something up while I was bopping out. You know what I really want to fix? This fucking thing up here. I don't know why I haven't fixed this yet. It's no longer like just a in-editor issue. This is like the editor and the build does this too. I don't know why. Thank you. Thank you for your forgiveness. Whoa, jeez, that tech. Alright, what is the player's current state? I don't know why I put that in there, but whatever. That'll work. You're not in ragdoll, you are grounded, you're not dead, the match has not ended. What about this? You're picking stuff up. Oh, it's, you know what, actually, okay. I kind of understand, because the animation... Crap. Hold on. Can I do this? Animation controller dot... Thank you. That's what I wanted to do. Get bool. Yes, yes, yes! No, fucking... Let me actually type it all out, you bastard. It's true, okay. So it thinks it's picking stuff up, but it never played the animation, so we didn't get this end event. And we didn't get this end event, or I guess it's this one. I'm lost, chat. I don't know what's going on. Let me see if I have other things to fix. Okay. Didn't realize I didn't save that, but okay, yeah, save. Shit. Okay, hold on. Put you here in the camera. There we go. Now pick something up. Yes! I broke! Damn it! Oh, I broke. Boom, Tony Swan wins again, baby. The animation does sync, that's good. However, it's bad. I don't know why. It's the same problem, right? Like, it just like, it doesn't play the animation sometimes, and that causes things to freeze. I mean, I could put a safety in place here. Let me try this. You know, switching my actions to be outside of the network animation events for that same reason. Get to work, but it could be a pain. I think I'll just put a safeguard in place. This kind of sucks because it's like this should just all work, but there we go. That'll do it. This is supposed to be 1 second of time. Oh wait, is that right? I don't know. Well, I guess no. Yeah, it's not. It's 1 second at 60 FPS. Right. Yeah. Okay. We'll put a little bit of buffering in here. Not crazy happy about this solution, but it'll work. It should work, anyway. So basically what we need is like... Okay, yeah, so it didn't play there, back and move again. And it does play the animation again later. It's like when I'm doing stuff, it doesn't play it. The unfortunate thing is it also won't fucking pick stuff up when the animation doesn't play. So I guess just don't do that. And everything will be fine. It's when you're like going up while jumping. Maybe other conditions also will do it. I guess it's just spamming it. Like doing it too soon after finishing one animation. I don't know. That works for me right now though. Let me change that comment. Yeah. I mean, at this point, though, like, we're not even attached to netcode anymore because it's just, like, I'm just one person right now. Like, yeah, it's connected to the server and everything, but we're in our own, like, sphere over here. Either way, I'm gonna commit this code and say our grab animation code is good, and then I'm gonna fix the UI stuff because it's really bugging me. Commit. push. Boom. And back to Unity. This is gonna be like just a simple UI thing, or it'll take like 3 hours, one or the other. That's how it goes. Yeah, UI stuff fucking sucks. That's the reality of game dev. Actually, no, that's not the reality of generally coding, because sometimes UI stuff is really elegant and well put together, but I feel like in video games it just always sucks. Not that UIs are always bad, but like making a good UI is such a fucking slog in a video game. I didn't even know I made that. I don't even know if that's in use, actually. Scenes, that's what I'm looking for. Menu. You know what? I'm also gonna change this while we're at it. Not the event system. I'm bumping this to version 1.1. We got like sound and animation now. That's at least worth like a minor version, right? Anywho, very important I changed that, I know. Room menu is what I'm looking for. It's even off. Okay, this should be a slam dunk. That's already off-centered here too. Surely I just need to move this a little bit, right? That's all I gotta do. Room name, right? What is happening? Oh, your positioning is different. Ah! Okay, well, make those the same. And then we can match them. Oh, I did not make them the same. This. Why are you still so different? Alright, whatever, man. I just need the Y position. The Y position should be 50. There. Oh my god, I know why now. It's because the sprite. Oh god, why did I do that? Alright, well, whatever, that should work now, right? Oh, I'm not. Well, I can still check it. What do you mean no map was selected? Oh, yeah, okay, I guess I do need the startup screen. Damn it. It's missing the, like, room coordinator. Hey, we got it. I don't think that's gonna work for, like, long names. It sure isn't. Okay. Well, win some, lose some, am I right? Actually, no, fuck that. Let's make it wider, because why not? Playing Majora's Mask this week. How's that going? Very well. I think we'll finish it next stream. I'm trying to get all masks. I might end up just 100% in the game, honestly. I'm not sure. Very fun, though. I finished the 4th temple, so we're like... I could finish the game probably in like 30 minutes if I wanted to just go to the end, but like we have like 7 more masks to get, so I'm gonna do that. Although at this point I'm probably gonna cheat and look at a guide. 650 seems about right. You can still make a name that will go, because this is a free text field, it can go beyond that for sure, but that should cover our bases for the most part. Actually, there's no reason why not to just make this wider, right? Let's make it real wide. There. Fix UI on... Oh, wait, hold on. Hide this again. It doesn't matter because it has logic. I got fallback logic to hide these menus if I forget to hide them, but for simplicity's sake, I should do it. Oh yeah, yeah. I should also point out, it's not my first time playing the game. I beat it as a kid. Well, not as a kid, but like... Well, as a slightly older kid. When the internet was out and I was able to look up a guide. When I rented that game, I got nowhere. I made it to the swamp, maybe? I don't even think I got into the actual, like, dungeon. But, like... yeah. Fix UI on main menu. Room. Screen. Commit. Push. Done and done. Oh yeah. Indeed. Cool. Yeah. What do I do now? Oh, let's animate the bomb. I was like... Resources, bombs. Specifically this bomb. Oh, actually, wait. I need two separate ones, actually. Remote bomb animation controller. Oh, really this just needs like a, an idle state, an idle animation. Let me go back over here real quick. Which part is the, oh, the cube, okay. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so animation, right? Create an animation. Remote bomb idle. Add a property. Ooh, shoot. Ooh. I think that's actually all I need. Hold up. Alright, so at 30, the color. Change it. Maybe this isn't the right thing I do. It's probably messed up. Hold up. Unity. Animation. Change. Oh no, that actually is it. Color. No, 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 no. There we go. Oh, I did it. I didn't even need to check that, honestly. Boom. Nailed it. Alright, cool. Now I go back to the animator. Yeah. I'm gonna just call this idle, but that works actually. And then you loop by default, I think. Yep, you do. Awesome. So let me go test this out. I think any remote bombs that get laid will just have this animation going. Holes. Holes has a guaranteed remote bomb spawn in it. That is the right spot, okay. Did I question myself for a sec there. Okay, we got remote bombs. Are you animating? You are. Why did I not check the network? God damn it. Alright, check them both. That took like 2 seconds, god damn. Alright, cool. You know what? I think I'm gonna take the fuse off of the remote bombs. As a design decision. Oh wait, no, not this map. I need this map. Holes does not have any power-ups in it. Why was that off? Oh! Find rooms is also off kilter. Okay, gotcha. Fix that after this. Hello? Oh, there we go. Nice, nice, nice. They are flickering. What is the detonate button? Oh, I need to focus on this window to make it go. E. It's the E button. Didn't cause any errors. Perfect. There's a warning from Fmod. I'm not sure what that's about. Don't care though. Fire. Thanks. Oh, fix the, No, let's do the other bomb first, then we can commit that as like, hey, we made bomb animations. This one's actually not going to be an animation. I'm just going to add like a particle effect to this, I think. Oh, also, while we're at it. No fuse. It'll help players determine which, or better discern which thing is which. And then on this, well, we don't really not need it on the fuse, we just need it on the mesh in general. Fuse spark. Put this up here. Add a particle system. Way too big. Also, you need a texture and a bunch of other things as well. Play on awake, yes. This is like mostly okay. I'd rather it spread like more evenly across everything. Shape. That's what I'm looking for. Cone, sphere. Yeah, that's good. But also like a really tiny sphere. Like 0.1. That's good. I need the particle itself to not be like the worst thing I've ever looked at before though. If I could fix that, that'd be great. Textures. Give it the explosion texture and we're just gonna hope that looks good. That didn't work. Why did it not work? It's the emission? No, is it something else? Okay, that's even better. It's good. Minus the part where it's not, like, it's not doing what I want it to, visually. Oh, renderer, here we go. That's what I'm missing, okay. Excuse me? Oh, it needs a material. Where are my materials? I know I have material for this, hold on. There they are. Excellent. It's even better. Alright, we're getting there. We're almost there. Your radius is still like way too big though. This is like the perfect music for this somehow. It's like I planned it. I don't know. The speed is good, it just needs to like not be so frickin' all over the place. How does this actually look in practice? I don't know. Like, this is not correct, but let me check. Oh, it's like real hard to see. Okay. Let me make a new material. Actually, let's just copy this one. So, like, don't do that. Just make it full opaque. What do you mean, no? What the heck? Oh, the shape doesn't matter. Get this shape out of here. Oh, that might be fucking with things, actually. None texture. Does this look better? Goodbye, bomb. Well, no, it doesn't look better, actually. I just need to, like, bring this down even more. That's as low as it goes, okay? Size is whatever. It's really just about, like, how far it goes. Like, I don't know how to stop it from, like, going so far out. It's like... Shit. Oh, is it emission? Oh, wait, hold on. No, it has nothing to do with how long it goes. Duration, start lifetime, start speed, start size. God. I don't know what I'm trying to do, honestly, at this point. Like, what the fuck? Unity. Particle system. Limit distance. Scale down the object that the particle system is attached to. Increase the starting size. Okay. Can try that. Hey, that's so much better. Oh my god. I did it. Let's see how it looks in practice. I had like a quick start button or something. That's... still a little big, but that's so much better. Okay. So maybe like a tenth of that is what we're looking for. Should get a sound effect for this too, but I'm not gonna bother looking up one and wiring up a sound for it yet. That's so tiny. Alright, the particles need to be bigger now. It's amazing how much animation changes things. Agreed. 100%. Might be too big. It's okay though. Tuning it in. Ah, just kidding, that changed nothing. Alright. Maybe I've scaled it down too much. Nah, you know what it is? This needs to go up. Maybe? Actually, maybe not. Alright, you know what it is? I just need to, like, make this a little bit bigger. Like 0.05 instead of... I'll leave it at that for now. We need a better particle than that. The size isn't quite right either, but I think I need those to be like unlit. Oh, you know what? Actually, I could do that. This just shouldn't care about lighting is the problem. That might make this look horrible, I'm not really sure. Okay, let's try this. You know, I can mess with that in real time, I don't know why I haven't been doing that. They're a little slow, but otherwise things are looking good there. Yeah, no, that looks better. It's not great, but added animation slash particles to bombs. And then lastly, let's go fix the join room menu. And maybe I'll play some games tonight after that. My game dev brain is fried right now. Find room menu. Yep. That is also off-center, just like the other thing. The exact same reason. Yeah, I'm using Git. Hold on. There's my GitHub if you're curious. Like, I have the source for everything I make on stream if anyone ever wants to look at that. Why is that not negative 50? Yeah. Right on. I will say this project right now is a little fucked. I need to fix it. When I added Fmod, so specifically the music I'm using, it is from some packs I've paid for that, like, I'm free to use in my projects, but like I am not free to distribute them. So I have not included the like Fmod project with all the audio files. So like there will be some issues if you try to like pull this down in its current state. I'm working to fix that and put in like an alternate or like just blank files so you guys can like have a project file that you just plug whatever else into. But yeah, I'll add steps to the README whenever I get that actually done, but currently right now that is a little borked, and my apologies for that. Yeah, like I don't want to make sure like I keep things clean, right? Like it sucks, but it's, you know, fully within the right of the people that own the thing that I bought. If I had any musical talent myself, I would just make my own music, but I if you think my art's bad, you should see my music skills. They are non-existent. I feel like this got moved somehow. I'm sure I'm responsible for this, but I'm not sure what I did to do this. I'm gonna check every menu though. Okay, a lot of these don't even have backgrounds actually, so there is that. Alright. I think we're good now. Fixed all menu background misalignments. Push that off. Yeah, back on the topic of source control, I have tried to use what is it, like plastic whatever. Plastic SCM, there we go. I actually just uninstalled that from this computer. The idle process for plastic SCM was taking up like a gig of RAM, like, for doing fucking nothing. And I'm like, okay, you can leave my computer now. It does seem like it's a better option if you're doing like a Unity project specifically, but I don't know. Having, again, not to like toot my own horn or anything, but having actually released like a full project and using source control with several different people across the project, Git has its problems. There was actually a point where our repository got too big because we were checking in like every file that you need. And rather than use like a large repo or whatever, whatever the heck you do in Git, I just like pulled the history and made a new repo, and then we excluded like the music files moving forward, and then like had to like, yeah, LFS, thank you, yeah. It's a mess. But even if we had been using LFS, there's so many other problems we ran into just using like Git as our source control in like a large-scale project. Like, for example, oh, I needed to tweak this thing on this prefab. Ports were especially like a nightmare, but like, so I tweaked this thing, and then other team members like, oh, well, I needed to tweak like the settings for like the gravity or whatever for the player. That's under the same prefab, so the same file got edited, and we both tried to check it in, and now there's this horrible merge conflict. I mean, yeah, Bitbucket's good too. Somehow they ain't mad if you use some very large music files. Yeah, no, that works. It's really just like, our game took 5 years to make, the one I just flashed on screen for a second there, and there's a lot of like history that gets built up over time with that. And if you're using like high-res textures and like, you know, uncompressed music files, like it causes problems over time. Especially when you're like have revisions of like a new version of each of those. Yeah. Just my like personal experience, you know. It's not that it like won't work. Don't mistake me saying like, oh, you should never use Git for a Unity project. Like, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying like, there's pitfalls. Here's some that I fell into. You know, that's how it goes. Anyway, I think I'm done doing game dev tonight. I'm not gonna end stream yet though. Let's play some Super Nintendo. I'm gonna play some Mario World ROM hacks. But I'm gonna take a break before that. Be right back. But yeah, if you're just here for game dev, thanks for hanging out. I'll be switching games in a second after I take a quick break. Peace.